TV or you enjoy films?
I enjoy any medium which has to do with acting, because for an actor, एक performer के लिए platform कोई भी हो, उसको जो एक संतुष्टि मिलती है करने में वो कहीं भी मिल जाएगी, क्योंकि आप कैरेक्टर करेंगे प्ले, आप एक्टिंग करेंगे, आप अपनी एक्सप्रेशंस को एक्सप्रेस करेंगे उसके जरिए. So you will flower, you will bloom, you will enjoy.
Correct.
You know, so for me, अगर मुझे जैसे आपने पूछा, ऐसे कितने लोगों ने पूछा, I said I'll enjoy in any platform, any medium of acting I go to, whether it's theatre, रंगमंच कराओ या ads कराओ या टेलीविजन कराओ या वेब सीरीज आजकल हो गया वो कराओ या फिर आप फिल्में कराओ. I will enjoy because I am getting to do what I love to do.
हाँ, आजकल तो रील भी enjoy कर रहे हो आजकल बड़ा.
बिल्कुल भरपूर एकदम.
The other lady, she's spoiling everybody I'm seeing on the set.
Preeti.
She's spoiling everybody on the set.
She's our head PR.
Is it? Oh my God.
हमारी हेड PR है, हम उसको बोलते हैं, वही बोलती है चलो 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 रील बनाने, चलो 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 रील बनाने. But one thing which I've got good friends there now, प्रीति एंड श्रुति, एंड हम लोग ने अपनी तिगड़ी एक जो है हमने बना रखी है. हम भी काफी रील्स बनाते हैं 3 जने उसमें मिलके. सो वी आर कॉल्ड SSP, श्रुति श्रुति प्रीति. Hashtag.
Shruti ji are more active on Instagram with her different texture of voice.
Yes.
कल जब मुझे फोन आ रहे श्रुति from ये रिश्ता, हाँ करेंगे करेंगे, I got confused कौन सी श्रुति.
अच्छा, okay.
But then मैंने अच्छा, okay ये तो सीनियर वाले श्रुति है.
ये सीनियर श्रुति है.
So tell me one thing, दशक से ज्यादा का वक्त हो गया है.
हाँ जी.
प्रोसेस चेंज हुआ होगा.
बहुत प्रोसेस चेंज.
पहले कैसे काम होता था टीवी
पहले? I'll tell you, I've been, मैं तो दशक एक नहीं 2 दशक बोली आप. 1996 was the first time when I came to Bombay, and and trust you me, I still feel as new as then, and I still feel I'm still a fresher as I was. You know.
I should not do this, but मैं करूँगा. मैं 98 born हुए से.
So I've started working before you were even
before I was
conceptualized.
Existing.
So it's been quite a journey, and जब ऐसे कोई बताता है तो मुझे आभास होता है कि अरे हाँ यार इतना समय बीत गया है यहाँ पर, इतने समय से मैं ये करती आ रही हूँ. But because I think I've kept that child alive in me. I've kept the attitude of always being a student, you know, and हर पल मुझे सीखना है, हर पल मुझे अनसीखा करना है, फिर सीखना है, फिर अनसीखा करना है. तो कुछ चीज़ें हैं मेरी ज़िंदगी में जो फिलॉसफीज़ में अपने ऊपर मतलब चयन करती हूँ, उनको मानती हूँ, उनके मुताबिक अपने जीवन को जीती हूँ, and I truly believe in them and imbibe by them and abide by them. So ये सारी चीज़ें which keeps me going and motivating me and inspiring to to do better work and better work and better work and grow as an individual. So ये सारी चीज़ें I think जो मुझे करती हैं. But yeah, I mean 28 years to be precise is quite a long journey.
बहुत कुछ बदला होगा.
बहुत कुछ बदला है. And the best part is even I have changed myself accordingly. You know, of course keeping myself intact. You know, उस श्रुति को ना खोकर भी मैं अपने आप को भी कितना इवॉल्व कर रही हूँ, इन्वॉल्व कर रही हूँ, फिर इवॉल्व कर रही हूँ. So I'm spiraling my way, you know, in this industry and in a beautiful way, and I love it. I love it, and I enjoy every process of mine. मेरे लिए वो ज़्यादा अहमियत लगता है बनस्पत इसके कि भैया मैं एक बहुत ही टॉप की नंबर 1 बन गई हूँ. For me the process is more important. You know, than the result.
Do you remember your first audition?
Yes, I remember the first time. No, I got my first ad without an audition.
क्या बात है?
So yes, that was for JVG washing powder in Delhi with Siddharth Basu. And Manoj Pava was the actor also in it, who comes as a genie in my house. And
oh my God.
Yeah, so and trust you me, जब मैंने पहली बार किया ना मुझे इतना मजा आया. The whole language of this medium of acting just ऑफ कोर्स हमने स्कूल में करा है, को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज में स्कूल में बहुत सारे नाटक करे हैं, एनुअल फंक्शंस में स्कूल के नाटक किए हैं. बट दिस फैसिनेशन ऑफ मीडिया एंड एवरीथिंग काइंड ऑफ, it was another thing. The whole language, kind of intrigued me और मुझे लगा यार this is one path I think मैं चलना चाहती हूँ इस पे
and Manoj Pava was like initial days में आपके साथ wow
so Manoj bhai was there so that's what I did and then उसके बाद Bombay आई and Bombay I did my first show called Mumkin with Tanuja Chandra जिसमें मुकुल देव होम टीवी करके एक आता था चैनल along with Sony and Z उस समय स्टार प्लस नहीं था उस समय सिर्फ जी और सोनी थे
और कलर्स भी नहीं
कलर्स तो बहुत बाद में आया
कलर्स
हाँ तो
कलर्स तो जब आया इवन आई रिमेम्बर कलर्स
ऑफ कोर्स यू वुड रिमेम्बर बिकॉज़ कलर्स तो बालिका बद्दू के साथ आया हाँ but otherwise there was only Z and Sony and there was Star World and there was Doordarshan of course there was no sub TV also so I did this show for home TV called Mumkin with Tanuja Chandra Plus channel and उसमें ये मुकुल देव था उसमें शरद भी था उस समय but जब मैं आई थी मेरा कैरेक्टर इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था then Sharad wasn't there and Momik was there and I did that show and it was beautiful and उसके बाद I got थोड़ी की ज़रूरत है with Ravi Rai and फिर उसके बाद I Love You which was a beautiful show on Sony a sitcom then Sub TV came then I did a lot of shows for Sub TV आज की श्रीमान श्रीमती हंसी तो फंसी and so many I've forgotten also how many then Chalti Ka Naam Antakshari came and then I did films and you know the journey is endless and it's still going on the journey is still going on and यही मुझे इसकी खूबसूरती लगती है कि I'm treading on with a good stride
कुछ छूटा है पीछे
वेल यादें छूटी हैं यादें जो है जो छूट जाती है जिनको आप फिर से ताज़ा कर लेते हैं उनके बारे में सोचकर बट आई हैव नॉट लेफ्ट माई सेल्फ आई हैव ऑलवेज केप्ट माई सेल्फ इंटैक्ट आई हैव ऑलवेज मतलब फॉलोड अ पाथ इन द राइट वे नॉट लूजिंग माई सेल्फ इन वेरियस मैनर्स जो हो सकता था इन दिस ह्यूज इंडस्ट्री एनीथिंग इज पॉसिबल अगर आप छोटे से शहर से आते हैं और बड़े से एक शहर में चले आते हैं जो इतना ह्यूमंगस है यू नो दीज इम्प्रेशंस पीपल भीड़ you know different mindsets different energies different positive energy negative energy all going around and you know hovering around you आपको जोल्ट लगता है बहुत बड़ा and it was a very big thing for me to come to Bombay because Bombay में जानती उस समय बॉम्बे था मुंबई नहीं था तो बॉम्बे में जानती हूँ with Essel World and also Bollywood of course and also my brother was posted here because he was in the Navy so that's what I knew about Bombay nothing else
Essel World
में रहूंगा मैं घर नहीं जाऊंगा मैं
then jingle you still remember oh God
Essel World so that is what you know ये बॉम्बे में टीवी में आता था ad so yeah that's what I remember and then I came here and it was quite a big shocking thing for me small houses and we are used to big houses our own gates and big
ये हम small towners का problem है हमें थोड़ा adjust करने में problem खत्म हो गया
अरे खत्म वहाँ तो पता भी नहीं चलता था कि उस में क्या हो रहा है घर के and all that
correct
so anyways so it's been a beautiful journey and no regrets because जितना आपकी किस्मत में होता है उतना ही आपको मिलेगा I've realized that in this industry luck plays a very big factor and I am very happy and proud of myself that I'm doing good work I'm still here
and still
working still rocking so
and still looking just 21 years old
no but yes I am physically very very fit very
मैं कुछ छूट गया से कह रहा था कि जब हम नए शहर में आते हैं ना हम रिश्ते बनाते हैं
नहीं मेरे रिश्ते हैं
कुछ ऐसे रिश्ते जो याद में ही है सर
हाँ कुछ होते हैं रिश्ते जो याद में रहते हैं बट मैं देहरादून जाती रहती हूँ आई मेक इट अ पॉइंट टू गो एवरी ईयर because it's to get my soul food that's my soul food over there family there everybody's there so होती है देखो आप कहीं भी नई जगह जाएंगे आपकी पुरानी चीज़ें कुछ तो छूटी जाती हैं you know वो सिर्फ यादों में रहती हैं आपके जहन में रहती हैं आपके सबकॉन्शियस लेवल में रहती हैं आपके but you are still taking them along with you ना somewhere or the other अगर देखा जाए तो you know you are still taking them along with you so वही perception का फर्क है आप किस नजरिए से
देख रहे हैं as you said खूबसूरत तो आप अभी भी हो तब तो माशाअल्लाह कितने लड़के बिल्डिंग के नीचे खड़े होते थे कि मुझसे शादी कर लो मैं हाथ काट लूंगा कौन
अरे पता नहीं कितने बट
अच्छा कितनों का दिल तोड़ा है मुंह पे मना करके कि नहीं सुनना
lots I think lots of them yeah I've always been a very sporty person. बहुत स्पोर्ट्स करा है मैंने, खेला है. I've been a national level basketball player for UP.
Wow.
So I'm still into. I mean, like for instance, if you'll ask me ना ये वाला TV show, I go a little blank. But आप मुझे टेनिस के बारे में पूछ लोगे, आप मुझे क्रिकेट के बारे में पूछ लोगे, फुटबॉल के तो मैं अच्छे से बताऊंगी आपको सब चीजें.
खुल के बताऊंगी.
Yeah, because I'm really fond of watching, and that's my entertainment. That's my me time. My gym is my me time, and my party time, and my meditation as well. So yeah, जैसे eat, love, pray होता है. So for me, it's like shoot, home, gym. Shoot, home, gym. I'm a very home person when I'm at home. मैं घर से निकलती नहीं हूँ बाहर.
नहीं ये शूट होम जिम के बीच में कभी शूट डेट घर ऐसा नहीं हुआ है.
नहीं हुआ ऐसा.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
नहीं हुआ.
उस वक्त तो डेट नहीं होता था, बट बाद में
I was already married when I came to Bombay. I married very young, by the way.
ये तो मेरे को बहुत बड़ा झटका मिला.
हाँ, you didn't know that.
No.
Yeah, I have a son, by the way, who's 17-year-old. Young.
ठीक है, I don't want to know that.
Okay, so anyway, so yeah, but I'm a single parent now. But of course, we are friends. We are better friends now. But yeah, so
was that time it was that easy that he allowed you to come?
Yeah,
he came with you.
Well, I've been very fortunate enough that because he also comes from theatre background. He was a teacher at MSD and FTII, Alok Ulfat.
Oh my God.
So yeah, so then it was very, very beautiful of the family to let me work. And I was very small. I was 19-year-old. I married very early.
It was a love marriage?
Yeah, it was a love marriage. And I married very early, just after my college. Almost, I was doing only third year that time. So, yeah, I guess ये होना होता है ना, वही होता है ना, reasons तो बन जाते हैं. हाँ, जहाँ आपको जगह जिस समय होना होता है, आप वहाँ होंगे.
Okay.
हाँ, जरिया बन जाएगा. So that is why there's one quote of Mahatma Gandhi ji, which I strongly believe, that find purpose and means shall follow. Find purpose, yes, and means shall follow.
Yeah.
तो ये सारी चीजें, कुछ छोटी छोटी चीजें मैं आपको बताती रहूंगी जो मैं बहुत अपने जीवन में अपने साथ लेकर चलती हूँ.
फिलोसोफी, आपके अंदर जो गुरु बाबा है वो बाहर आएगा.
हाँ, कुछ चीजें हैं, like to keep the child alive in you. So I think that child is still alive in me. That's why my longevity in this field is there.
The pagalpan you do with your kid, I want to know.
Oh, I go mad. We go crazy. I play football with him. I play cricket with him. I play badminton with him. When he was a little boy, I used to play the Nerf guns with him.
Gunwala.
Yeah. I'm a total
mad
mother with him.
But you must be his favorite friend.
Yeah. I'm a very good friend. I mean, he shares everything with me. Everything he shares.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Is he single right now?
हाँ, अभी तो 17 साल का है.
अरे क्या, ये मुंबई है, ठीक है यार, कुछ भी होता है.
उसका प्यार पता है क्या है? फुटबॉल, जो मैंने वहाँ नीचे रख दिया. उसका प्यार फुटबॉल. He's a footballer. Yeah. So अभी he's going to 12.
Do he watch you?
Ojasya.
Wow, nice name. वैसे आजकल कोई ऐसे नाम रखता नहीं है, but this is my.
Yeah, आजकल थोड़े से Chiara, Kiara and all that jazz.
ऐसे नाम आएंगे इधर. अच्छा, tell me one thing, क्या वो देखता है आपके काम?
हाँ, he sees a little bit.
And does he give feedback?
Yeah, he likes it. His friends and all. Arey, my friend watched you there, and he's like, your mama was really good. He went to watch your film. Arey, तेरा क्या होगा? Lovely आई थी. So yeah, that. And I said, how nice. Then yeah, he's cool about it. He feels nice about it.
Feels nice?
Yeah, he feels good. And he sees our mad reels nowadays. He sees what madness you all do on the sets.
होली में साड़ियाँ पहन के लड़कियाँ नाच रही हैं. I went there and I commented over there. I said, Mrs. Raut, आपने सबको खराब कर दी.
सच्ची, वो पुरी ने करा है खराब. पुरी ने. अच्छा, वो पुरी है जिसने खराब किया सबको.
क्योंकि मैं वो श्रुति जी को देखता था ना, वो अपने थॉट्स शेयर करते रहते हैं. And she's also a wonderful actress.
She's a lovely actor and a lovely person.
हाँ, मैं मिलना चाहूँगा एक बार उनसे. Okay, I now want to know कि जब आपने काम करना शुरू किया था, उस वक्त rejections बहुत ज़्यादा होते थे.
Yeah, because there were less people, there were less channels, so बहुत limited काम होता था. And also उस समय daily soap का चयन नहीं था, उस समय weekly आते थे.
Oh.
हाँ, there were no daily soaps that time. There were
It was
weekly
like
shows.
Saturdays and
Is it
Sundays.
every हाँ जो भी आपका slot है
हाँ.
या मंडे को 8 बजे आएगा या ट्यूसडे को तो हर मंडे हर ट्यूसडे ऐसे आएगा weekly.
Oh.
There's no daily that time. Daily, the first daily I think was Shanti.
Okay, on the Doordarshan.
On
it was, I guess,
Doordarshan
yeah.
that was the first
Shanti
daily.
was, हाँ.
That was the first daily which I remember because हम लोग छोटे थे जब हम देखते थे I remember.
My
that.
God.
But then after that I think Swabhiman and all these started
हाँ,
coming as dailies.
हाँ.
But there were very few of them. Dailies happened I think mostly probably I'll tell you.
I to remember Swabhiman
2000s.
only.
हाँ मतलब जो एकदम पीक पे हो गया ना dailies after I think 2000s में
वो
ही
तो
हुआ।
2001 के around when Ekta enters in this eternity.
Yes. That is one पूरा weekly को हटाकर पूरा daily कर दिया था.
Yes.
Yes, and that's the time when Star Plus also formed. And
yeah.
because पहले Star World था, which had all English shows as well. So उसके बाद Star Plus आया, which became completely desi Hindustani. Because I remember I hosted Chalti Ka Naamatakshi for them with Sachin ji there. So those were the few pioneering, initial shows. एक सत्य था इरफान का, कौन बनेगा करोड़पति, क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी, चलती का नामताक्षरी. ये few shows were there.
Shows के साथ आए.
के shows आए.
Yeah.
So it is a different mindset, different way of working. There was more ठहराव in work. I mean, at that time,
आप कितने बार रिजेक्ट हुए हो?
I don't remember.
कोई ऐसा हार्टफेल रिजेक्शन यार ये क्या हो गया?
नहीं ऐसा तो Yeah, I did. I signed a movie with Vishesh Bhatt, Vishesh Films with Mukesh ji, and which Vikram was supposed to direct. This was before Raz, and but that didn't happen. So that was something which I felt that kash wo ho jata to I would have gone into
The film didn't happen, or
the film didn't happen only.
Oh.
I signed it, I got the signing amount, everything, but it didn't happen. So that is one thing I felt. Also because I was not sure whether I want to be in Bombay or not be in Bombay.
अच्छा
You
वो
know how
young वाला 23-24 साल वाला उम्र.
हाँ initial वाला था कि समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि okay क्या करें. This is the path I want to. इतना से everything is so fast moving. I'm homesick. वो सब भी था. शादी अभी हुई है. Wanting to explore also, yet finding ways to explore. तो वो सब भी चल रहा था. So I was not very sure कि भाई अच्छा यहीं पर मुझे अपनी जड़ों को जमाना है. So then I signed the film. I did a film called Sarakho Par with Vivek Vaswani as the producer, as the lead. Where Anuj was there in it.
Okay.
Anuj had done. So Mukul Dev, Anuj, and myself. So there's a film called Sarakho Par that I did. Then of course I did Dil To Pagal Hai when I initially came as these theatre के छोटे-छोटे actors group में जो थे हम. That was quite an experience for me. Of course, because Madhuri Dixit had been my favorite heroine, and I was with her, and Shah Rukh Khan, and Karishma Kapoor, and Yash Raj Banner.
And Din To Pagal Hai was Raj के बाद या पहले?
पहले.
Raj
That
के
was
पहले.
97.
Okay.
Yeah. Raj was much later. Raj के और दिन तो पागल के बीच में I had signed the film with Mukesh ji.
Okay.
With Vishesh Films, and then I did a cameo. I did a song with Deepak Tijori, and ये है मुंबई मेरी जान.
हाँ, that I have seen.
The song is तेरी चाहत पे दीवाने हुए हम.
Correct.
Yeah. So then because I signed that, then I did that thing with them, that song. And then we were supposed to start the film, but it unfortunately didn't happen. And then Raz came later, 2001.
राज तो इतना आइकॉनिक फिल्म बन गया था क्योंकि एक तो दीनू मोरिया और उसमें उस वक्त के हिसाब से, आज तो खैर ओटीटी है, लेकिन उस वक्त के हिसाब से इतना सीन्स इतने ज्यादा बोल्ड थे, इतना ज्यादा खुलकर चीजों पर बात हो रही थी, भूत एंड ऑल.
And it was picturized beautifully also.
हाँ, मतलब कहीं ऐसा नहीं लगा कि अनकंफर्टेबल हो रहा हूँ मैं.
Yeah, it was done very aesthetically.
Correct. But तो रात से क्या यादें हैं, कुछ हैं?
अरे one incident तो I can never forget, जिसमें मुझे हार्नेस पहन के पीछे फेंकना था.
Okay.
There was a scene where मैं उड़ते हुए जाती हूँ. So I'm very good with stunts and all. I love it. Okay. I love action. So वहाँ पर तो आशुतोष भैया को मेरा ऐसे जॉ पकड़ना था जब उनपे आ जाती है, उनपे भूत आ जाता है तो वो मुझे पकड़ते हैं ऐसे, in the jungle. तो ऐसे पकड़ा उन्होंने, so he held it so tight that मेरा ना jaw lock हो गया. So I was like, I screamed, and it locked. I couldn't shut it. And it was 1:30 in the night, and we were shooting in RK Studios.
Okay.
And we didn't know what to do. And I'm laughing like, I can't close my mouth, Vicky, I can't close. Are you crazy? Then we went hunting, चेंबूर में ढूंढ रहे डॉक्टर कौन है. And then we were डेंटिस्ट कोई थे, उनके घर गए हम, उनको उठाया. उन्होंने फिर वहाँ पे वो जॉलक टक टक ऐसे करा. So that's one thing I remember. And otherwise, beautiful experience working because we were in Ooty for 35 days, shot there. It was lovely. बहुत मजा आया था.
वो जगह भी उस वक्त तो और भी ज्यादा खूबसूरत रहा होगा.
Yes.
Nature के close.
So that is one. And then I did a film called Gafla with, which was the first movie ever to be made on Harshad Mehta scam.
हाँ.
Gafla.
ये हमने सब पढ़ा है. हाँ.
Yes. So try and see it. That was made by a very dear friend called Sameer Hanchate.
Okay.
He produced it and directed it and wrote it also.
जब अभी ये हंसल मेहता वाली आई थी तब उसके टाइम पे जिक्र भी हुआ था कि this is not the first one.
इससे पहले गफला बनी. So he named it, actually word is घपला. But गफला मुंबईया लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं ना, and Gujarat and all that, they say गफला. So he used that गफला and it's a very good film. Try and catch it if you can.
Will definitely.
Yes.
अच्छा, बात टीवी की कर ले मैम, तो जैसा लोगों ने एक धारणा बना रखी है कि टीवी पर एंड मोमेंट पर स्क्रिप्ट आती है, तैयारी करने का टाइम नहीं मिलता है, वक्त नहीं मिलता. आपने टीवी को इतना वक्त दिया है, किस हद तक ये बात सही है और कभी आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया और किस शो में?
हाँ, कितनी बार होता है कि आपको बोलते हैं, अरे मैम लीजिए गर्मा गर्म स्क्रिप्ट आई है. तो प्रिंट आउट आती है, हल्की सी वार्म होती है वो. कितनी बार ऐसा होता है. इट्स लाइक जैसे प्रेस होकर कपड़े आते हैं ना गरम गरम. तो ऐसे कितनी बार स्क्रिप्ट भी आई है. लेकिन मैं आपको सच्ची बताऊं, टेलीविजन जिसने कर लिया ना, तो एक तो लंबे लंबे डायलॉग्स, मोनोलॉग्स, एंड फिर एकदम इम्प्रॉम्प्टो ऐसे स्क्रिप्ट आना और फट से याद कर लेना. इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल ट्रेनिंग ग्राउंड फॉर एनी एक्टर. बिकॉज फिल्म्स में जमा के थोड़ा करते हैं, समय लेकर करते हैं, कट करके लेते हैं. हम लोग यहाँ पर कभी कभी कितने मास्टर्स एक साथ करते हैं, स्पेशली इन अ शो कॉल्ड ससुराल गेंदा फूल, इफ यू हर्ड ऑफ.
बहुत सारे लोग.
हाँ, हम सब 15 एक्टर, हर एक्टर उस सीन में होता था. और वन शॉट हमारा यूएसपी था. वी यूज्ड टू डू वन शॉट
फॉर द मास्टर, फॉर
द एंटायर सीन. It should be just one shot scene.
Wow.
If you check it on Star Plus, you'll see it on Hotstar.
I have seen. I used to watch that show every day.
So we were such amazing actors, amazing director. Ravi Oja ji was there, the producer director, जो फिर बीच में चले गए वो. And then Rakesh sir took over and he did it. Zama ji was writing, who's writing Ye Rishta also.
Ye Rishta.
Yes, Zama ji was writing that also as well. So amazing writing, beautiful dialogues. एंड कैसे हम लोग कोरियोग्राफ करते थे उसे, लाइक अ थिएटर, जैसे थिएटर में होता है. एंड वी फेल्ट लाइक
कभी होता था जब वो तीनों चारों बहुएं एक साथ मिलके या तो पड़ोसी से झगड़ रही हैं, या तो कुछ कर रही. वो फील गुड फैक्टर होता है ना. एक दिल्ली 6 का जो था, बड़ा अपनापन वाला, वो फील गुड फैक्टर, हैप्पी मोमेंट्स, दैट वाज देयर. नोक झोंक भी हो रही है, फिर सुलझ भी रही है बातें, लड़ाई हो रही है, लेकिन फिर आप ठीक भी हो रहे हो, बन भी रही है आपकी. सो ऑल दैट जो मिडिल क्लास में होता है फैमिली में जनरली, तो वो था. एंड वो बहुत सुंदर तरीके से दर्शाया था. सो दैट वाज अनदर वन गुड प्रोजेक्ट व्हिच आई वाज अ पार्ट ऑफ एंड आई लव्ड इट. एंड ससुराल गेंदा फैमिली इज स्टिल, वी ऑल आर इन टच. हम लोग मिलते हैं पार्टीज में, हमारी अपनी होम गैदरिंग्स होती हैं. यू डू दैट?
वी ऑल डू दैट,
इंक्लूडिंग सुप्रिया मैम?
इंक्लूडिंग सुप्रिया दीदी. Including Supriya ji, everybody, Zamaji also, everybody.
She's like
director.
सच में very calm and polite.
Beautiful person, beautiful.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Such a beautiful person. So much to learn from her. So humble.
हाँ, she is very humble.
So humble.
And not just her, her daughter.
Even Shriya, even Sachin ji, everybody. Sachin ji के साथ तो मैंने शो किया है.
अच्छा.
चलती का नाम अंताक्षरी.
अंताक्षरी.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, चलती का नाम अंताक्षरी.
Yeah. I just got.
Yeah. On the boat.
He used to wear that oversized suits. Oh God. Why are we talking about this?
So but I'm just so yeah, it's such a beautiful
अब
journey.
भी वो एकदम से पिक्चर आया ज़हन में.
Yes.
Oh
So
God.
yeah, so you know, so we used, so coming back to your question that उसी समय script आती है, how do we adapt to
हाँ.
that? But we do. All the television actors, I think, बाद में memory सबकी बड़ी एकदम टंग हो जाती है या बढ़ जाती है, अच्छी हो जाती है. And it's like practice makes a man perfect. So similarly हम लोग भी करते हम लोग भी मज जाते हैं. And तभी बोलते हैं टेलीविजन एक्टर्स को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कितनी भी लाइनें दे दो.
हाँ,
So it's
और
like
चाहे
that.
कितने भी देर तक काम करा लो.
Yeah. No problem.
They will
Absolutely.
At what age you decided you want to be in this industry? And how did you convince your family? पहले तो ये बताओ.
I went to, because my husband, my ex-husband Alok ji was at the TIE company, that is Theatre and Education Company of NSD. He was teaching there. And he knew everybody, Ashutosh Bhaiya, Manoj Bhaiya, everybody. So, and then he used to do this kind of a slapstick show for Siddharth Basu, जिसमें Manoj Bhaiya, Shukla ji, then गजेंद्र जो ads बनाते हैं, and who's in बधाइयो बधाई. All of them, I've met all of them when I was like I just got married. Piyush bhai, Piyush Mishra, everybody, Ravi bhai, Ravi Baswani, all of them were there. And then it just took me there that I've got married and meet Shruti, you know. And I said, अच्छा, and I did theatre with Alok ji before that. So they said, अच्छा ये भी करती है acting? नहीं, ऐसा तो नहीं, theatre किया इसने मेरे साथ, but I don't know, let's see, maybe. So then Siddharth just said, yeah, I have this ad which Debakar Banerjee and Shujit, they were making it. उनकी first company थी, अभी तो films बनाते हैं.
अभी तो films बनाते हैं.
So they had this company called Watermark Company.
Okay.
So then it was their first ad. And then I did that with Manoj Bava there, and I just loved it. And I was like, I told Alok ji, I said, I think this is the language I want to learn more.
Okay.
And I'm really fascinated by the whole thing, and I think this is the road which I've found, and I want to tread on it and run on it. Okay. You know. So we went back home, Dehradun gaye, family se baatcheet kari, and my mother-in-law, beautiful woman, who had devoted her life as a social worker, and she said, yes, Shruti is too young, let her grow. Let her go and see the world, you know. And my parents, my family, my brother, everybody supported, and that's how I came. And you know,
and you came,
and it was not that हमें आना है कि हम यहीं रहेंगे बस अब यही. We just said कि let's try
करके देखते हैं.
Try करते हैं, कुछ साल देखते हैं कैसा होता है. You know, होगा तो करेंगे, नहीं होगा तो वापस चले जाएंगे देहरादून. क्या है? Do a theatre, you know, take care of the schools and do a theatre and so on. So that's how it was. So it just happened. फिर काम के बाद काम मिलता चला गया.
Wow.
You know, and then just various roads kept on opening for me, and I kept on walking and running in them as work came, and I just started, you know, enjoying every bit of it. It was like a celebration for me. It was like a mela for me, you know. And I was there like this little child, जो जिज्ञासु है, जो curious है,
inquisitive है, जानना है सब कुछ.
Curious as a cat, and she wants to know everything. I'm still like that.
Yeah.
So. And this is another philosophy.
I feel this energy right now.
Yes, and I'm still like, I still feel in awe of things which I've never seen, or I'm seeing it for the first time. You know, I still have these wonder in my eyes, and I want to keep it like that. I want to keep that child alive in me always. You know, so that's how I am. You know.
ये बच्चा last कब रोया था?
अरे रोज रोती हूँ ना, ये रिश्ता क्या क्या.
अरे यार. वो तो ग्लिसरीन. अच्छा, do you use glycerin?
I don't. I never use glycerin. Never.
अरे अभी क्या आप तो
Never.
अब तो ग्लिसरीन किसी दिन आपके हाथ में आ जाएगा तो मैं आपके हाथ में क्या कर रहा हूँ?
Actually यही होगा. अरे नहीं गलत हाथ में आ गया हूँ मैं. I never use glycerin.
नहीं, but बताइए ना, रियल लाइफ में लास्ट कब आंसू आया था? Because I can vouch you are a very emotional person.
I'm a very emotional person. I'm very emotional. I get very hurt if somebody, you know, says wrong things, or ऐसे सुइयां चुभ जाती हैं. I'm like kind of a person. I feel like that. I'm very emotional. I'm very expressive. I cannot hide my emotions. Very rarely I don't like anybody, but suppose if I'm not comfortable in somebody's presence, it just shows on my face. you know.
ये डरावनी
Like-
चीज है पर ठीक है.
Yeah, it's my weakness that I cannot hide it. It's my
Yeah.
weakness, my flaw.
Yeah.
You know.
God.
And I'm still a very desi person. मैं अभी भी बहुत ही देहरादूनी हूँ
हाँ.
अपनी सोच में. मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं अच्छी हूँ तो पूरा जग अच्छा है. You know, I'm like that. So a lot of many times people say me, अच्छा तुम अभी भी देहरादूनी हो, जाओ देहरादून जाओ वापस. So it's a big thing that I'm here and I'm existing and I'm still working and I'm still working in the right way, in the right path, and I feel proud of myself because मुझे हमेशा होता है कि कोई भी काम करो ना, when you look back at yourself, you know, you want to pat your own back, and I always pat my back. Yes, Shruti, you did good. Whatever, छोटा बड़ा जितना भी कुछ किया है, अच्छे से किया है, अच्छे तरीके से किया है. You've never let anybody down. You've never let your family down. You've never let that Shruti down. You've kept yourself intact. You know, अपनी integrity नहीं खोली. You know, आपने खोई है. अपनी respect नहीं खोई है. You know, आपको जो संस्कार दिए आपके परिवार ने. The faith your family had towards you, and that's why they sent you in this very big, monstrous world, so to say. You know, because I remember पहले ज़माने में बोलते थे ना कि फिल्मों में अच्छे खानदान की लड़कियां नहीं जाती हैं. हाँ, हमेशा सुना है. You know, अच्छे खानदान की लड़कियां नहीं काम करती हैं फिल्मी दुनिया में. ऐसे and then so that's why my brother always said कि श्रुति घर पे एक रोटी खाने को मिलेगी. ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम वहाँ काम करने जा रही है तो ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी मुसीबत की वजह से जा रही है. घर पे है रोटी खाने के लिए. So just don't lose yourself. So you know, I'm proud of that fact that I've lived up to whatever I've been taught, and you know, whatever has been seeped in me, or everything, whatever, my way of life.
तो मतलब रोए नहीं थे?
हाँ?
रोए नहीं हो मतलब?
नहीं, मैं तो बहुत रोती हूँ. मैं बहुत रोती हूँ. When I think of my papa, I cry. I was 11 when he died, when he went away. So I think I cry a lot when I miss my father. Or I cry when I scold my son after a point of time.
Oh God, ये आपको नहीं बोलना था, अब ये वो सुन लेगा. अच्छा मुझे बताइए, ये बड़ा सेंसिटिव क्वेश्चन है.
And he comes with water. अब रो मत, आप रो मत.
हाँ, डांट लो थोड़ा सा और
don't cry. Now don't start. Then I don't like it. You start crying. Then he'll get water for me to drink. It's like that. So, yeah.
हाँ, अब मैं एक और सेंसिटिव सवाल पूछूंगा. It's being alone, आप हो इतने सालों से, उसके बाद कभी प्यार नहीं हुआ?
Not really. I'm so happy and content with my ma and my son and my little Ollie who's gonna come very soon.
Who's gonna come right now?
Yeah, I'm so happy with few friends I have. I'm very happy and a content person. I'm not a very ambitious person, huh? I'm not. I'm very chill, laid back. ठीक है, इतना है, मैं खुश हूँ इसी में. ये बोलते ड्रीम करो ना, मैनिफेस्ट करो, bigger house, bigger ये. I'm so happy here.
But your house is wonderful.
Yeah, I love this.
बहुत खूबसूरत.
अच्छा जब मुझे बड़ा घर मिल जाएगा तो मेरे को ये नहीं मिलेंगी जो यहाँ की चीजें हैं, you know, यहाँ की जो एक खुशबू है अलग की ना, वो मेरे को फिर बनानी पड़ेगी.
Correct.
Of course मैं बना लूंगी because मैं हूँ वैसी.
हाँ.
I'm like that. That's how I've made it. मैंने खुद चीजें करी हैं यहाँ पर. मतलब मैंने ग्राउटिंग की दीवार मैंने खुद मिस्त्री के साथ करके लगाई है.
क्योंकि जर्नी इतनी लंबी रही है. कास्टिंग काउच वगैरह कभी रास्ते में आया है आपके?
Not really, but when initially जब मैं आई थी ना यहाँ पर तो उस समय still वो एक टैबू था कि जो अगर किसी को फिल्म में हीरोइन बनना है या कुछ तो वो शादीशुदा नहीं हो सकती.
हाँ.
You know, they were always scared that she might get pregnant and the film might get stalled, which is also all right, fair enough. You know, जो भी सोच थी, but वो फिर भी था. So a lot of people told me, don't tell anybody that you're married. So I said, no, I'm not going to do that. Why should I hide that? You know, I said, वो मैं नहीं छुपाऊंगी. So I told everybody from the very beginning that I'm married, and that's why hence Ulfat is the surname, you know. So that I never. So a lot of people told me, don't tell anybody, you know, then you will not be. But of course, I met few people who said, oh, you're married. I said, yeah, I'm married, and that's how it was. So I guess that itself kind of probably maybe stopped people from approaching in another way. And also I was. I'm a very strong person that way. I knew that I don't have to get into all that.
As you just said.
In order to reach.
So you're talking about कि क्योंकि शादी की बात आप खुलकर बताते थे इसलिए लोग
हाँ, so I think that's why. And also मैं बहुत particular थी कि मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ. Like I told you, उस समय ऐसा भी नहीं था कि भाई यही अपना करियर एक तरह से बनाना है. समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कैसे करें चीजों को. हमारे कोई गॉडफादर गॉडमदर तो थे नहीं.
Correct.
या कोई फैमिली तो थी नहीं जो ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे काम कर रही है. So we had to see pros and cons, and plus I had to, you know, I come from a family जो so called खानदानी लोग जैसे बोलते हैं. So I can't let them down also, and I had to do things my way so that I'm happy doing it. You know, that kind of a thing. नहीं होगा कोई बात नहीं, घर चले जाएंगे वापस. ऐसा था.
What was the time when you got to know कि अच्छा अब मैं माँ बनने वाली हूँ, and what you were doing, क्या projects रुके, कैसे वो flow था? Tell us about your motherhood.
Yeah. So I'll tell you, beautiful it was. I did this film called Gafla, which I mentioned to you. So मैं Gafla कर रही थी, and उसके बाद आलोक जी had gone to England to do his workshops there, drama workshops, and I was to join him later. So after finishing Gafla, वो पहले चले गए थे, and then I went. So I went, and Ojasya was conceived in England.
Okay.
In this beautiful countryside called
Foreign product है.
Forest Row जगह है where Alok ji studied also as a child, and then he did his speech and drama training from there, from Emerson College. So that's how he keeps on going, and he has all his teachers there. So then I went, and we were doing this play production there, helping his drama teacher. So Danielle. So that's where Ojasya was, and then I was suddenly, you know, I'm feeling sleepy, and I'm like wanting to sleep. And I was saying, what's happened to you? You're never like this. But I was running also in the morning, doing abs and everything in the countryside, paglo ki tarah, okay, and no clue. And then suddenly I was like, why am I feeling so sleepy and lethargic all the time, wanting to sleep? So then we went from England, we went to Sweden, and to Vording. There's a place called Järna. It's a small countryside village, Järna. So there, these friends are there, Eva and Johanna, and we were with them. And it's so strange that they gave me a book about how child is made and conceived, and everything beautiful about it, but in Swedish language. But it had pictures which depicted everything, and they just gave it to me. You know, the original. So I have that book, Swedish book, अभी भी है मेरे पास, and I'm like, okay, fine. And
ये इशारा है कि शादी हो गई है, बच्चा कर लो टाइप्स वाला.
Whatever, or it was their intuition that maybe this is the time now. You know, शादी तो पहले हो चुकी थी. I had Ojasya after 10 years of शादी because I was working and working.
तो मैं वही कह रहा हूँ ना, वो लोग याद दिला रहे थे कि भाई बच्चा भी करना है.
Probably, you know, or maybe I don't know. You know, पुराने लोग, and they're quite elderly. So होते हैं, no, पारदर्शी होते हैं. Very nice, lovely people. You know, heart के लोग. Doing good work, doing artwork, very, very, you know, alternative setup they live in. So they just gave, you know, and I was like, okay. And then suddenly when we came back to England, I'm really feeling horrible and lethargic, and when I said, I think there's something wrong, and then of course I did a test. And then it came true, and I was like, voila! Hallelujah! This is fantastic! Okay. So that's what it was. And he said, okay, we're not going to tell anybody. We'll go home and tell everybody face to face instead of calling from here. You know, सात समुंदर पार से फोन करके बोल रहे हैं भाई ऐसा हो रहा है. So you have to go home and say. So then, yeah, and that's how it was. It was beautiful. But even after I was pregnant with Ojasya, I kept on working for some time. Okay. About 5 months.
अब पता नहीं चलता था?
यार नहीं, तब तक पता नहीं चला था. Then 5 months में, then IT awards भी उस समय काफी चलता था. You know, and so then there I had to do a performance of a skit, and that's where my tummy showed and everything, and it was beautiful. And then after 6 months, when I was 6 months pregnant, then I went back to Dehradun because I decided that for 3 years I'm not going to work. I'm going to be in my motherhood zone. I completely want to be there.
And you enjoyed it thoroughly?
And I thoroughly enjoyed it. And I wanted to go and deliver Ojasya in Dehradun with Jyoti Didi, who's the doctor, who I know her since I was little, and she's given birth to all my nieces and nephews. You know, yeah.
Doctor will decided.
पहले से था मुझे, और मुझे पहले से था that I'll go to the same room where everybody is, all my cousins and my sister, they've all gone there, you know, जब baby होना था तो. So I had all that planned. So it was a beautiful, beautiful, lovely experience. Lovely experience I've had in nature and खूब पोचे मारती थी मैं, खूब योगा करती थी, and it was lovely, beautiful time I had. And everything just happened so easily. मतलब मुझे कुछ ऐसा भी नहीं. I drove myself to the hospital.
अच्छा.
Yeah. And then I was sitting. वो nurses वगैरह
वो पोछे मारने का असर था और कुछ नहीं.
दीदी वगैरह सबको मैं जानती थी. उन्होंने मुझे छोटे से देखा हुआ है. तो हम शाम को बैठ के चाय वाय पी रहे थे. And then night I got labor and morning Jasya was born in 5 and I was speaking to the doctor while giving birth. It was so beautiful. It was so lovely.
Did he have any plan to come to this fraternity or something?
Jasya?
हाँ, दोनों ही talented माता पिता.
Yeah, he has that streak and he is quite a funny guy. He's very good with timing. He's done plays in his school and he's taken mass media right now in his AS level. So let's see. He's a footballer also, but let's see how that happens because it's quite a task, you know, in sports. It's quite a tedious journey actually.
But a sportsman can be a good looking personality in front of camera.
He's got 8 abs. He's got पूरे packs हैं उसके तो भैया बचपन से हैं उसके because he's been playing since he was 5 years old.
Yeah, correct.
Football. So he's like lean, patla sa, no fat at all. No fat at all. Like that. So
आखिरी सवाल for this segment.
Yes.
When you see your journey back today.
Yeah.
Do you laugh? Do you smile or do you cry?
I laugh also because I was so naive, you know, in so many ways, and stupid and silly. And I don't really cry, but I feel sad about a fact that I could have done so much more if I would have got the right chance, because I know myself as an actor, you know, and I know I can really do amazingly well if given a chance. And well, sadly it didn't come my way, but that's okay. And that also I've taken it in a stride that this is how it was meant to be, और मैं इसी में bloom करूँगी, मैं इसी में flourish करूँगी.
You never know, आ सकता है.
Exactly, and that's another perspective that anything can happen anytime. And if it was meant to be for you, it'll come to you. Even if you're bloody 70, I can hear my Ollie. Even if you're 70, it can come to you. You know, so
Correct.
It's like that. So it's never too late actually for anybody.
Yeah.
Especially actors, because you can act till your deathbed.
Yeah.
If you have the capability and the physical, you know, zest in life.
Correct.
Yeah. So yeah, that's how it's been. I've never cried really. I'm sad about it. That
कि वो एक opportunity है.
एक मिल जाता कुछ. I wish Kapla could have done wonderfully well. I wish ये अच्छा हो जाता. You know, it's just that. You feel sad about it because either I'm not a good actor. You know, मैं ठीक है चल काम चला हुआ है, average है, कर लेती है श्रुति चलो. Then it's, but I know I can give so much more. I know I can really perform so much more. So that thing is still there in me. That hunger to perform, you know, is there. I mean, I want to do some action, kick-ass cop role, you know. I want to like a Tejaswini film, that kind of a thing. I want to do like a Damini, you know. I want to do all that, and I know I can do that. And so, luckily, thoda sa chance I got when I did this Damaged web series. Okay. So I always wanted to become a cop. So, and I was greatly inspired by Kiran Bedi and this show called Udaan, which Kavita ji used to do. She portrayed her, Kiran Bedi. So, at one point of time in my life, I wanted to become a police officer as a career. Yeah, but that also fizzled out. But I got to play in Damaged. I got to play a cop, this badass cop. So that I got to do a little bit, but I'm still not satisfied. I need more. And then I became, of course, a terrorist in Indian Police Force, Rohit Shetty's. So where I've done an action sequence and that's come out really, really well, and I'm really proud of that. But I still want to do. I think I can do a lot of action, and because I am very sporty and very fit.
Got to know about this. कैसा लगा टेली चक्कर के साथ मेरी पहचान करके? We did a segment मेरी पहचान. I didn't tell you about this पहले. इतना खुल के नहीं आती फिर चीजें बाहर.
नहीं, मेरे को प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. I'm a very spontaneous person. Like even when people tell me, we'll give you questions before, what do you want to? I say no, don't. You just say and I'll answer.
I'll answer.
Because I like it. Because I want to be me. You know, I don't want to be a character.
Fake it.
I want to be Shruti. You know, this is for Shruti to be known as Shruti, na? That's who Shruti is actually.
Correct.
So I want to, you know, it has to be like that.
So hope you enjoyed this Meri Pehchan.
I loved this Meri Pehchan segment, and thank you so much. And I'm sure इससे कुछ चीजें लोगों को पता चलेगी मेरे बारे में जो शायद नहीं पता हो. You know.
बहुत कुछ.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And just one thing to everybody: just do what you love doing, and love yourself. अपने आप को प्यार नहीं करोगे, आप खुश नहीं रहोगे, तो आप दूसरों को खुश नहीं रख पाओगे. Keep the child alive in you. Always find possibilities in problems. You know, हमेशा आशावादी होना है. Avante, move forward. You can never go back to some place. You can always go again to some place. So never think about going back again. Always think about going again to that, wherever your destination is. And another thing is that live every moment to the fullest. हर पल को पूर्णता से जियो. You know, that's very important.
Let's talk about the talk of the town. This word, you just gave me this word. आप थे जब सेट पर ये हुआ, क्योंकि जो स्टोरी हमें नरेट हुई है कि राजन सर आए, उन्होंने सबको बुलाया and then he asked both of them to live the set. क्या था सिनेरियो? वो सिनेरियो क्या था?
Well, it was हमें तो बोला था there's just a meeting happening because Rajan wants to meet everybody and talk about that IPL is coming and how we need to boost the show and how the writers are writing, and you know how we as actors and as a unit had to put in our best all the more to lift the show even further. So ये था, और उसके बाद तो हम वही बातें कर रहे थे. अचानक से ये बोलने के बाद he called all of us, everybody, the entire unit was there in the hall, and खाने के बाद, and then he spoke about IPL coming, he spoke about lifting the show, and then suddenly he just talked about that हम देखते हैं कि एक्टर्स कैसे होते हैं, पता करते हैं हम, because we want to take them in our show, we see what their attitude is, how their temperament is, how their nature is, so that you know माहौल अच्छा रहे, हम अच्छे लोगों को लें अपने साथ. And then you come to know that somebody is not good and blah blah blah. He spoke about it, and then we still did not gauge, and we thought, okay, he's talking about, you know, probably telling us about it. And suddenly he just said, Shahzada, you can just leave the set, and your termination letter will be given to you now, and you just leave in 10 minutes. Your services are no more wanted. We didn't know what was happening. We were dumbstruck. We were like, ye kya ho raha hai? We just did not even look at each other. I was sitting like this. I was just sitting like this. I was like, what happened? I think sabko yahi lag raha hoga, ye hua kya? And after that, then he said new actors come, and that was for Pratiksha. And then he just said, Pratiksha, your service is also not required. You can please leave the set now. Your termination letter will be given to you. You've got 10-15 minutes to take your things. Please leave. And it was like, हमें पता ही नहीं क्या हुआ. We knew that there's some mock shoot happening a day earlier, but we were told that it's happening for a new show. We didn't know. Yeah. So a very big step, a very, very humongous step taken by a producer, but it is taken because of some reason. Absolutely, and I agree to that. Because otherwise Rajan would never do such a thing. You know, he would not put his show at a stake in a way. Because you've just casted, your leap has happened, 6 months has happened, and then suddenly this you've done. So it's a huge step, and I'm sure iske reasons bahut rahe honge, and we of course are hearing. We also know you know that how things were between both of them, and he was also not talking nicely to few people, I believe. you know, because of temperament.
हमने तो यहाँ तक सुना था शहजादा told somebody कि मुझे जी या सर कहकर बोलो.
Yeah, that's what even I heard, and
And we as a journalist got like, excuse me, क्या? तुम्हें यहाँ ऐसा बोला गया है.
It's a sad thing.
Okay.
It's a sad thing that you know, young artists आते हैं. वही मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, it is so. फिर क्या होता है, ये लोग ना थोड़ा काम करके ही रह जाते हैं बस. They don't grow as human beings, as good actors. See, we can't take our work for granted.
Correct.
This is something which gives us happiness. That's what we claim, right?
Yeah.
This is something which we chose to do.
Yeah.
This is something which we become famous with.
Yeah.
People love us. You know, हम celebrities so called हो जाते हैं, पॉपुलर हो जाते हैं, दुनिया में जानने लगती है हम कौन हैं. एंड आप उसी चीज़ को आप ग्रांटेड लेने लग जाओगे, आप उसको जिम्मेदारी से नहीं निभाओगे उस काम को, तो फिर वो काम भी आपको उतनी तवज्जो नहीं देगा ना, है ना.
मैं 3-4 महीने पहले आई डिड राजन शाही जी के साथ अच्छा खासा फुल फ्लेज इंटरव्यू, लाइक 1 घंटे का. एंड आई गॉट टू नो कि वो जब एक्टर्स को चूज करते हैं ना, तो ही बिकम वो बहुत ज्यादा ही केयरफुल रहते हैं.
Yes.
ठीक है. और आप देखिए उठाकर योर कास्टिंग, यू नो, ऑलमोस्ट कई सारे लोग भूल गए थे. एंड देन you, and then Sudhanshu Pandey, and then Rupali is the big example.
Exactly.
Harshad,
Yes.
you know, it's a gap के बाद जिनका exposure. So एक नया लाइफ अगर मैं कहूँ कि टीवी पर, एक तो टेलीविजन को उन्होंने नया लाइफ दे दिया थ्रू अनुपमा, वरना लॉकडाउन तो सब कुछ खत्म कर चुका था.
Absolutely. Ground zero level आ गया.
हाँ. So after getting an opportunity, इस वक्त के टेलीविजन के किंग कहे जाते हैं, बतौर एक्टर थोड़ी सावधानी बरतनी चाहिए थी. आपको नहीं लगता एज एन एक्ट्रेस?
एब्सोल्युटली मुझे लगता है. एंड ऑल्सो सावधानी बरतना नहीं है, मैं ये बोलती हूँ आप जो काम करने आए उसे आप अच्छे से कीजिए. Your attitude has to be right, your temperament has to be right. You are working together as a unit for the show, not for yourself. You're working for the show. Show है तो आप हैं. शो ही नहीं बनेगा तो आप कैसे कहाँ काम करेंगे? आप सड़क पे चलते चलते तो नहीं काम कर सकते ना.
Completely.
Correct.
Correct.
There has to be a platform for you to express and perform. And if that platform you're not regarding, then definitely people who are the makers will not regard you as well, you know, will not want your services. आपको किसी चीज़ की जिम्मेदारी उठानी है तो आप उसे अच्छे से उठाइए. एंड ये वन टाइम वंडर्स तो बहुत सारे आए हैं और चले गए हैं, टेलीविजन में भी, फिल्म में भी. करेक्ट. आते हैं चले जाते हैं. लेकिन आपको रहना है, लंबी रेस का घोड़ा बनना है तो आपको काम करना पड़ेगा, आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, आपको अपने एटीट्यूड को, अपने दिनचर्या को, अपने व्यवहार को दूसरों के प्रति अच्छा रखना पड़ेगा. एंड दैट्स अ गुड थिंग ना, इट्स नॉट अ बैड थिंग. आप तो अच्छे ह्यूमन बीइंग ही होंगे ना अगर आप ये सारी चीज़ें इम्बाइब करेंगे अपने जीवन में. तो ये सारी चीज़ें हम लोग भूल जाते हैं. हम भूल जाते हैं कि हमारे संस्कार क्या हैं, हम भूल जाते हैं हमारे माता पिता ने क्या सिखाया हमें. जस्ट बिकॉज हमें लोग जानने लग गए हैं, हम एक सेलिब्रिटी हो गए हैं, सो कॉल्ड स्टार्स हो गए हैं, सो कॉल्ड. दैट्स नॉट अ राइट एटीट्यूड. एंड दे आर पीपल हु आर इन्वेस्टिंग सो मच. They're investing their life, they're investing money.
That guy didn't even sleep.
I'm telling you.
I've seen Rajan Shahi.
I know Rajan since 1996 because I did थोड़ी की ज़रूरत है where he was assisting Ravi Rai. So I know Rajan since our friendship is since that long.
Okay.
When Rupali, me and Vishal Singh, he did his first directorial show called Dil Hai Ki Manta.
Dil Hai Ki Manta.
Where they three were there as a love triangle. So I know him since then. You know, so it's like you can't challenge him because he gives his life. This work is like a temple for him. He says कि मेरे लिए टेम्पल है, मेरा मंदिर है ये जगह. यहाँ पर कोई गलत चीज़ करेगा मैं बर्दाश्त नहीं करूँगा. He said this show, nobody is bigger than this show no matter what. I am also not bigger than this show.
आखिरी के 2 सवाल मैं पूछूंगा. पहला, एक, जब वो राजन सर ने बोल दिया तो इन दोनों का क्या रिएक्शन था और उसके बाद आप लोगों ने क्या किया सारे?
ओके, देयर रिएक्शन तो हम खुद ही अपने आप में रिएक्ट कर रहे थे. तो मेरी तो हिम्मत ही नहीं हुई कि मैं उठूं और बोलूं ये हुआ क्या है. आई जस्ट आउट ऑफ फोकस, मैंने बस देखा, दे गॉट अप एज देयर नेम्स वर कॉल्ड एंड दे जस्ट लेफ्ट. एंड आई थिंक सम प्रोडक्शन गाय और वेंट behind them, something like that.
हाँ.
कौन गया मुझे ये भी नहीं मालूम, because I think हम ऐसे ही बैठे हुए थे. We were just sitting like this. We didn't know what to do and what to say, because this was a big shocker for all of us. We didn't know it was coming. Even Shahzada didn't know it was coming. He wasn't shooting that day, but he came because he was called for a meeting. So it was a very big step, you know. And he said that I don't know where I missed. We always find out about the artist because we don't want any, you know.
He didn't try to
He didn't
stop.
nothing. और उसके बाद भी मुझे पता ही नहीं बाबा whether he did try or not try. और बातें कर रहे थे, so ऐसा भी नहीं हुआ कि हम चले गए. He said also कि अगर आप लोगों को किसी को बात करनी है तो प्लीज बाद में कीजिएगा शहजादा से और उनसे बात. First you just listen to me please. So that's what happened, and it's sad happening to an actor. I feel sorry for both of them, more for Pratiksha because her first step in her career, and then she's going through this sad experience.
But being a journalist, what I feel is कि ऐसे नहीं हुआ होगा.
नहीं, definitely not. Because अगर ऐसे होना होता तो फिर तो he would chuck him out, शुरू में ही.
Correct.
वो चीजें सीप इन हुई होंगी, बढ़ती स्टॉप ही नहीं हो रही होंगी probably. That is why he took this decision, na?
Correct.
Otherwise, why will Rajan take such a big, huge step and put his show at stake?
Exactly. Headlines में आना,
and you do not know how people will react. How fans will react to it.
And you know, the people जिनको नहीं पता है, मैं उनके लिए बता दूं थ्रू टेली चक्कर कि it's not easy for producer as well, क्योंकि कास्टिंग में भी पैसे लगते हैं.
Exactly.
नए एक्टर्स को ढूंढने में पैसे लगते हैं, माथा पच्ची होता है, मॉक शूट करो, चेक करो, लुक चेक करो, ट्रायल करो. इट्स अ बिग टास्क.
हाँ,
तो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो ऐसे नींद से उठे और ये हो गया.
Exactly, ऐसा नहीं है. They must have thought about it. They must be talking about it amongst themselves, what to do, what not to do. They must be probably thinking months before, okay, let's give a chance. Let's see, maybe things go right. You know, and maybe it did not for them, and they said, okay, now we have to make this decision before it gets even further aggravated and horrible for people.
Correct.
Maybe, perhaps. And see, Rajan is a person who respects you, loves you, regards you for the work you do, you know, and he is not a person, he will not take anybody demeaning anyone, even if he's a dress dada, even if he's a cleaning person, you know, on the sets. He regards everybody. He doesn't take nonsense from anybody. He will not give nonsense to anybody. He says, he's told us also, for me this show is a new show, though Rishtedar has been going on since 15 years, but मेरे लिए ये नया शो है, because मैं नए लोगों को लाया हूँ, नई कहानी बन रही है. एक तरह से, and in fact it is double the pressure on me that whether I be able to sustain again after a leap or not.
With this new faces.
With this new faces or the new story.
आखिरी एक सवाल. रोहित के साथ शूट किया, कैसा लगा, कैसा है, कैसा है?
I have shot with him in terms of we played cricket together in PCL, Box Cricket League, lot many times, and उसको हराया है मैंने.
But he is very innocent.
Sweet guy, very nice. मतलब अच्छे मन का, साफ दिल का लड़का है और अभी मेहनत कर रहा है, बहुत मेहनत करने को है उसे, because he stepped into somebody's shoes ना. ऐसा नहीं कि उसने उस कैरेक्टर को शुरू से लेके चल रहा है, वो किसी और ने जो लेके चल रहा था उसको वो अपने उसको ढालना पड़ेगा उसे. So it's a big responsibility for both of them, Garvita and Rohit both. But Rohit के साथ एक सीन मेरा हुआ परसों, very emotional, जैसे मेरे और अरमान के होते हैं हमेशा, विद्या और अरमान के, and he did very well. बहुत अच्छा किया हमने, बहुत सुंदर किया. And it's so sad ना. मैं ऐसे सोचती हूँ कि मैं सोच रही थी ऐसे, या शहजादा, प्रतीक्षा, it's so sad for both of them. I feel bad for both of them. But then in a way I also feel that maybe it's a lesson for everybody else also who can probably behave like this or are behaving like this on sets and creating a ruckus for everybody, you know. And television, see, time is equal to money. You know, every 1 hour costs lakhs and lakhs of rupees for producers. It's not easy to
Correct.
make a show. It takes a lot of hard work, a lot of thought process, a lot of energy, a lot of mind power, manpower, everything to create something. It's not easy, you know, and also you do not know whether that thing is going to thrive for a long time or not, whether
Correct.
it's going to see the daylight for 3 months or not nowadays.
Yeah.
And this show, an iconic show, has been going on since 15 years.
Yeah.
And it has all the potential, all the energy and goodwill of everyone to go furthermore. So, you know, so producers not going to take a stake by giving such a, making such a decision just randomly. They must have thought, they must have pondered over it for days and nights and then come to this conclusion. It's sad, but I guess it's बोलते जो होता
अच्छे के लिए होता है,
जो
correct.
नहीं होता वो और भी अच्छे के लिए होता है. So
How's your ये रिश्ता going on?
oh, lovely. I love it. I love going on set. I love Vidya's character. She's a beautiful woman, very emotional, getting the family together always.
विद्या का असली बेटा आ रहा है जल्दी वापस.
हाँ,
हम
I
ऐसे
think
उड़ते
so.
उड़ते
ऐसे
खबरें सुन
सुनने
रहे
में तो आया है. So let's see when he comes. That'll be quite a scene. Because
Oh, God.
abhi she's fought with Masa. She's never raised her voice against Masa. But she raised her voice against Masa now when वो उसके फोटो पे गार्लैंड चला रही थी रोहित के. She
Yeah, yeah.
fought. Then she again fought for Abhira right now for the first time. She raised her voice. She became a sherni in front of Masa.
Masa.
Yeah, that is quite a thing. So I'm very happy as an actor because I'm getting to portray so many emotions.
Different sides.
Different emotions. These very sweet, vulnerable Vidya, to a Vidya who's hurt by the husband, to a Vidya who loves the son who's not her son, but loves him dearly. And her own son who's gone, that's another emotion. You know, and then now fighting against Masa is where she's become this Sherni, you know, and fighting for Abhira and saying, no, I have to fight for what is right. So, you know, so it's a very nice kind of a, I can see a canvas for me to portray Vidya
Portray
in different
Vidya.
colors.
With good jewelries and different
yes.
new colors of saris.
Yes, absolutely.
मेरे को पता नहीं क्यों आपकी साड़ियाँ बड़ी अच्छी लगती हैं.
अच्छी लगती है मेरी
बहुत अच्छी लगती है. I swear.
साड़ी?
वो दिखता भी अच्छा है. मैं तो जब फर्स्ट टाइम देखा मैं मनीषा कोइराला लगती है, ये क्यों कर रही है? किसी ने बोला है नहीं बोला है आपको?
Lot of said before also they used to say.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time.
Thank you so much for this interview and thank you so much for coming to my house.